Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. So it's going to start my haul video. I did buy a few things while I was here. We went to IKEA, we went to Trader Joe's. My friend Katie and I did. My husband stayed here with Hunter. We went to Target. We went to Whole Foods. So this is my haul from Trader Joe's and Target. And I only bought a few things because you know me. So mainly I bought this stuff for the trip. So I bought some of this cucumber mint sparkling water at Target because all we have here is juice and soda, and I wanted something that was 0 calories and something that I liked. And then the other things that I got, oh, I think it's over there. Is it over here? Did I forget it? No. Okay, it's right here. Part of the mess. I need to clean up again. Because Ethan has been home alone. So I bought some more marshmallows because, let's face it, those mint chocolate chip ones last night were really good. So these are cookie dough ones. Ethan, cookie dough. Yeah. And then I bought something that we actually needed for at home because ours broke. So, and that's a meat thermometer. Our meat thermometer went kaput. The last time I made chicken and I was checking the temperature, the sticky thing broke off. And it was a digital one. This one's not digital, but I don't care. It still works the same. And then my Trader Joe's haul. So these are my very favorite thing in the whole wide world. These macarons from Trader Joe's. Yum. And coincidentally, when I was at Whole Foods last night, one of these cookies, just one cookie, was $2. They were $2 a piece or 3 for $5. And I was like, I am not spending this. This entire box at Trader Joe's is $3.25. So, and then I bought these for my husband from Trader Joe's because they're his favorite candy from Trader Joe's. The sea salt butterscotch. So that's his treat. He loves those. And then we were out of this at home too. So I bought some of this, everything but the bagel seasoning. So I spent $10 at Trader Joe's, $13 at Target. So, and that was it. That's my haul. So I'm going to attach the Whole Foods video onto this one. I'm going to forewarn you in the beginning, it is a little bouncy and I don't want you to get seasick watching it, but it doesn't last very long. It's just when I'm walking into the store, I was kind of bouncing the camera a little bit, so just kind of close your eyes and listen if you don't want to like get seasick, because sometimes when I watch videos, I will get seasick from that. And then, but it's just a little bit bouncy. And then I think I have a haul from IKEA as well that I'm going to put on the end of that. If I don't think I uploaded that one yet. So I'll just put all these haul ones together. So I will see you soon. Tomorrow we're leaving. We're going home. I suppose I can turn the camera around just a minute. Let me turn the camera around and I'll talk to you. Hi guys. So I just turned the camera around. I took my glasses off because I can't see to film. I'm blind as a bat, as you probably already know. My friend Katie went home. She just dropped me off and left. And she's driving home to where we live. And I think tonight we're having pizza quesadillas in the room. And then I am going to scrapbook for a while, so I am going to do a scrapbook video. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that because my husband and Brick World is over. It ended at 4 o'clock. So I noticed when we passed the parking lot that my husband's truck is not there. So he is obviously loading up with Hunter right now, his Legos and stuff, and then he'll tarp it and do all that. But yeah, we're leaving bright and early. So I think our checkout is noon. So maybe not super early, like after breakfast-ish. But yeah. So I'll see you in a scrapbooking video soon. And yeah, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.
349.
They have watermelon spears here.
I've got a watermelon at home.
Yeah, I know. Yum. What? Oh, okay. Avocado. Golden Kiss melons. I've never heard of those. Oh, they have these. These are really good. This blueberry walks into a bar. But I don't need to get any more bars right now. We have plenty of breakfast stuff at the hotel. I haven't tried this cookie butter, but I heard that it's good. It's called cookie butter.
Gingerbread with crushed biscuits.
Mm-hmm. Here's another one. This one's crunchy cookie butter. Cookie and cocoa swirl. Oh, I love these pretzel buns so much. They don't need any. They're so good. Oh, that's what else I need to get. Everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm out of that. We just ran out last week. So I need to get 2 things here. Hi, how are you? Good. Ooh, yum. Meringues. My dad likes those. I should get Scott this. There's a candy that he really likes here. Butterscotch. Is it over here? Here's the macarons. Here, this is what I want. Yeah. Katie, I found them. These are so good. They're $3.49.
Yum. Yay. Go
Yeah.
ahead and put them in. You can put them in the cart.
Oh, thank you. Great. Okay, and then I'm gonna find Scott's treat that he likes here. Where is it? If they have it. It's like a butterscotch candy. Oh, I don't see it. Just over here. Yep, here it is. Sea salt butterscotch. These are Scott's favorite too. This is his favorite treat here.
What is it?
Sea salt butterscotch.
Ah.
So I'll get that. And then everything but the bagel seasoning, which is right.
That's on the next aisle.
Oh, it's on the next aisle.
What do you use
Okay.
it for?
We use it for all kinds of stuff. Sometimes we'll put it on toast. Like, sometimes we'll, like, I've even put it on, like, I've seasoned chicken with it, and it's really good. It's got, like, a garlic, and it's got poppy seeds, and it's just really yummy. And this coffee is the best. French vanilla, Trader Joe's, it's the best. So good. But it doesn't compare to Michelle and Aaron's. They have the best. Coffee with Friends is the best coffee on the planet. We have stevia. Here it is. I don't see it. Where am I missing it? Oh, here it is. Yep, this is it. Everything but the bagel.
Cool.
Yeah, and I just ran out of it, so.
See, aren't you glad I suggested
I am
some
so
of
glad
these?
you did, because I was gonna order it off of Amazon, but it's cheaper to buy it through the store. Even though we have Prime, you know, it's just cheaper. Lasagna noodles. Any ravioli? Yeah, the prices are good here. I wish they had one of these close by. It stinks. See, now Scott can't complain that I got his treat that he hasn't had in quite a while. There, I got him something from Father's Day since the kids got him a t-shirt. But I never got anything for Mother's Day. And I don't care if I got shoes.
It's different.
I know, I needed shoes. I'm deprived. Not really. He does take me on trips and stuff. Spice chai. Mint watermelon tea. I know. I need more tea, like I need a hole in the hot dog. Well, but we need more tea right now. I have lots of tea. But I could use some wine. No. And this is my mom. My mom and dad buy this. I'm not even kidding. Cases of this Charles Shaw wine, which tastes, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I really like that box wine at Walmart.
Let's go back and see if we can find that. That's marshmallow.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know if they would sell that here because everything is pretty much Trader Joe brand here.
No. I'm looking to see if they have restaurant style salsa. Or their version of it.
Yeah. They might have it at Target though, because it's not necessarily a Whole Foods item.
Right, because we always like.
I bet they do have it at Target, especially a big Target like here. They do have a new pepperoni.
But at least these are marshmallows I can use to make Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah. Those are the marshmallows you can eat.
Yeah, because they don't have the corn syrup in it.
Oh, that's cool. You can have your Rice Krispie treat. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. So, this is my IKEA haul that I promised I'd show you. So, the first thing I bought was this laptop tray. So I can sit on the couch and like do my laptop because I'm going back to school to get my Master's of Arts degree in special education. So, that'll come in handy when I have to do schoolwork on the laptop. And then this is a iPad similar thing, and that you can set your iPad on or your Kindle, either one. And we have both, so I thought that this would come in handy too. And this one was okay. I think this one was $5.99. This one was $3.99 maybe. I can't remember exactly, but. And then this is a Lazy Susan for our round table. I've wanted one of these for a really, really long time to sit in the middle of our kitchen table. And this has got like a gripper so it won't slide all over. And this was $12.99, which I thought was a really good deal because I've really wanted one of those for quite a while. And then I got a new dish strainer, which this is a really cute one. It's got polka dots on it and everything. Our dish strainer does not have holes in the bottom, and it just gets gunky and I have to scrub it out all the time. And this one has holes in it, lots of them. So I'm going to get rid of the other one and use this one. So I'm excited about that. And this was only $2.99, I think. And then I got a new doormat for outside of our house because our current doormat is 15 years old and the wind keeps blowing it off the porch and into the flower bed, and it just needs to be replaced. So it's not heavy anymore, and this one's nice and heavy, and this one was $2.99, and it's kind of that rough material that you can like wipe your dirty shoes on. And then I got these chip clips because we're always running out of these, because I use them for like frozen vegetables or anything that I would put in the freezer that's in a bag. I use the small ones for like bread bags, and then I use the big ones for like bigger bags of stuff, not just chips. So this was $1.75, I think, but I thought that was a really good deal for just a little over $1, or almost $2. And then I bought this stand. I bought a lot of stands today. This is for your phone, and it's a little wooden stand, so you can lean your phone up against it and you can watch videos, or like if you're gonna use it in the kitchen to do a recipe on Pinterest or something like that. But I thought that this was really handy, and this was $5.99. And then I bought a clock, and it's just a little white clock, and this was $2.99, and it's just battery operated. But we needed a new clock in our living room because the one that we had before we put up the Christmas one that sings Christmas songs, That one broke. So we still have our Christmas one up on the wall. So this is going to be replaced on the wall where our Christmas, so I can take down the Christmas one. And then I got these trivets, which are, there's 3 of them, and they're like you put on the table to put your pans on. And I can't remember how much this was, like $3, I think. Not much more than $3. And then last but not least, the biggest thing that I got was these under the bed storage cubes. And I got 2 of them. They were $6.99 a piece. And I'm not sure if they're going to fit under our bed because we have a platform bed. But if they do, I'm going to keep my sweaters in here. If they don't fit under my bed, I'm going to give them to Hunter, and I know for sure they'll fit under his bed, and he has been asking for something similar to this to keep his stuff in. So if they don't work for my bed, under my bed for my sweaters, I'm going to give them to him. So, or maybe give him one and I'll keep one. So that's it. That's everything that I got at IKEA. And then I bought one of these big giant bags to carry it in, which was, I think, $1 something. But I spent $70, which is a lot for me because I don't usually buy anything and I don't usually spend money. So $70 is a big budget. But these are all things that we needed. So I didn't buy a bunch of junk that I didn't need. So all this stuff is useful household stuff that we needed. So except for this Lazy Susan. I mean, I've wanted it for a really long time, and they're expensive if you go to buy one like on Amazon, but it'll be useful on the kitchen table. So that was kind of the only want thing. These were just kind of needs that we needed. And of course the electronic device holders. Those weren't absolutely necessary, but at those prices, you could not beat it at all. I didn't realize this had polka dots on it. Cool. But I know it'll come in handy when I'm doing schoolwork to be able to sit on the couch and not have to sit on the table all the time. And then this one polka dot, no, this one's like this one's got plus signs on it. And this will be nice for the boys because they like to use, and the boys have laptops too, so they could actually use this pink one too. And they can use this for their iPad, and I can use it for my Kindle. So that is everything. So I promised I'd show you the haul. But, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. We're going into Whole Foods. See what we can find for dinner. Looks like it's gonna rain again.
Probably.
Let's get back to the room so we can get cozy. Warm up. Get some salads. How is your Santa Claus melon? Did you cut
I
it?
haven't ate it yet.
You haven't ate it yet? I'm still really excited to see what it tastes like. You're gonna take a cart?
What?
I don't think I'm gonna grab a cart since all I'm just gonna get is the salad, I think. So I've only ever been in here once. And it wasn't here, it was in St. Louis. We went to Whole Foods. And Scott didn't like it. I know, it was funny. There's grapefruit. Fruits. I have blackberries in the refrigerator at the hotel. Brand new container of them. Ooh, that salsa looks good. Mango salsa. Ooh, salads are up here. What salad do I like? Yum yum. Got veggies. And honestly, here's broccolini. This is like what we bought at the farmer's market. I love that stuff. See, I wish they had this store like near us, even in Springfield or something like that would be great. Oh, you're getting a salad kit. Yeah, I have, well, we have ranch dressing. I don't know if you want ranch dressing. Oh, they have seafood salads. Ew. I don't know.
Anchovy fillets.
I don't mind anchovies like in Caesar salad. I think it's kind of good, but it looks like they have a salad. Well, there's a candy bar. Candy section.
The steaks look good.
I know. Chocolate. Yum. Pretzel buns. Love pretzel buns. Okay, here's the salad bar. I think I'm gonna just get a salad bar. Let's see. Oh no, this is just like antipasti, antipasti right here or whatever. Oh, I had boiled eggs in the room too. I forgot about that. They have oat milk. Never heard of that before. Unsweetened oat milk. Oatmeal milk.
This is what I was looking for last weekend.
What is it? Oh, that seasoned butter.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I think I have a cooler in my car.
Well, you can stick it in the fridge until you have to go tomorrow, so.
Put it in on the way home.
Smoked Gouda. And they've got bakery breads. Cookies. Yum! They have macarons. Okay. Delicate almond meringue cookies filled with variety at $2. Buy 5, get 1 free. They're $2 each. I don't think I want to pay $2 for a cookie. Man, I love those. Okay, here's salad bar. Okay. Katie, I'm gonna make a salad. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna put on the salad. So, okay, they've got lettuce, every kind of lettuce imaginable. Oh boy. And I need to find a container to put it in. I don't know where the containers are. There's that. They've got cheese, pretzel rolls. Oh my goodness. They even have Faye food. There's a rotisserie chicken. No, my husband would like that. It does sound good, but it gotta be good. Because I ate out for lunch. Oh, here's the salad containers. Okay. So I'm gonna get my salad container.
I'm gonna go this way. If you lose me, just call me.
Oh, okay. I'll find you. I'll find you after I build my salad. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, I'm gonna do lettuce first. I wish they had like an already made salad, which they probably do, but okay, I'm kind of picky on my lettuce. Kale, romaine. Do some romaine lettuce. Okay. Some cucumbers. Peas. Onions. What else did I have? Roasted red pepper. Olives. What is this? Feta cheese. I don't think I want feta. I think I want different watermelon radish. I'll try some of that. And what else? I don't want pea pods. I don't think I want that either. Grilled zucchini. Right here. There we go. This is the feta cheese I like. Some bacon. Okay. And some eggs. Well, I have eggs back at the room, but I'm not gonna. What is that? Garlic? I don't think I want garlic. Guacamole. Quinoa. I don't really want quinoa on mine. What else is there? And there's pasta noodles. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else. I really want a pretzel roll, but I know that I shouldn't have one because of the fact that that is an awful lot of carbs. Because I don't eat. I think that's really good. Let's see what they have over here. Kale green salad, sandwiches. Well, there they had a salad. It's a really big salad. This is big enough. That's a very big salad for dinner. And I don't think I need anything else with that. Honestly. I gotta find Katie now. Where is Katie? Where Katie. La, la, la. Okay. I've lost her. And she's around here somewhere. You know what I really want is some chocolate. And I would love a macaron. But I really don't want to pay $2 for a cookie. Okay, little miss. I should get a bottle of wine. Okay, do you ever walk past the cheese section and it smells like completely nasty and you think it's somebody? You think it's a person with like a dirty body, but it's like cheese. There she is. Okay. Okay, I got my salad. You are a shopping girl. You got a lot of stuff.
Well, I have a hard time finding this.
Oh, I'm glad you found it.
So I'm taking advantage.
Yeah. Yeah, you might as well get what you can't find. In our neck of the woods, because they don't have the store.
Right. And half the fun is looking around.
I know, it is fun. I walked past the cheese section and like there was this really stinky cheese and I was looking around for like it's a person that smelled bad, but it was the cheese. What is that? Himalayan pink sauce? Paleo puffs. Paleo
Grain free.
Are they good?
I don't know.
Smashmallow. Okay.
Snackable marshmallows that are
Okay, I've tried the cinnamon churro before.
Are they good?
Yeah, put that on my, I'm gonna get that. Yeah, I couldn't see paying $2 for a cookie, even though I really wanted a macaron, but I can do a mint chocolate chip marshmallow. Yeah,
I'm gonna buy a package too for later.
they're good. These are the churro ones are really good too, but
For those, those days when you just need a treat.
yeah, and Ethan likes the mint chocolate chips, so he'll like that. Okay. And that'll be my sweet treat for tonight. I think I might get a salad dressing because Ethan has Hidden Valley Ranch, but I'm not sure I want that on my salad. Let's see. What do I want on my salad? Sesame, mango, ginger sesame. I usually buy poppy seed, but I don't really want poppy seed. Balsamic with extra virgin. I love balsamic vinegar dressing too. But I don't want to pay $6 for salad dressing. And I think I'm just gonna use Ethan's. I'm not gonna buy it. There's no sense in it. Morel mushrooms. I don't like these. They're all dried out. Those mushrooms that you can pick out in my woods. There's a lot of those mushrooms out in the woods and ugh. I think they taste like dirt. Okay. So I think I'm gonna turn this off and I will see you next time. Oh, my husband is talking, so I'm gonna get off and I will see you back. We'll talk.